A very good morning, class 8. So, as we were continuing with the chapter direct and indirect speech, and yesterday we have completed with the first part, direct indirect speech part 1, and today we are going to start with the lesson number 19, that is direct indirect speech part 2. This is chapter number 19. So, as we have completed with the chapter number 18, it was just about the simple statements, right? It was quite simple, but here in this chapter we are going to discuss about the work questions. So here we are going to do the interrogative part, work questions. So here we have to, we will come to know that how we have to change the question answers from direct to indirect. Normal word order is used in reported questions. So I told you yesterday, I think normal word order is used in reported questions. Normal word order यूज होगा जैसा होता है, there is no change in that. Then no conjunction is used. No conjunction is used. Okay. Then the third point is that the question mark is replaced. Question mark is replaced. Means your question statement will be changed into question will be changed into a statement, and it will replaced and it is replaced by a full stop. Then the fourth one, the reporting verb said or told is changed into asked, because when we are asking the question, so there the word reporting verb जो होता है हमारा told and said, that is changed into asked. Told and said, they are changed into asked. तो यहाँ पे हम जब whenever we ask the questions, so there we use this reporting verb, हमारा ये हो जाता है. ठीक है. So now I'm going to tell you about, we are going to discuss something about the examples. So here, the passerby said to him, where does the Rahul live? For example, the passerby said to him, inverted commas start, where does Rahul live? Where does Rahul live? Inverted commas close. So now here what we will say, the passerby asked him where does हमारा निकल जाएगा, where Rahul lived. That's it. Simple. Where Rahul lived. My mother asked me. My mother asked me, where are you going? My mother asked me, where are you going? सो आस्क मी, आप ये भी लिख सकते हैं माई मदर इंक्वायर्ड ऑफ मी, ठीक है, और अदरवाइज यू कैन कीप इट लाइक दिस ओनली, माई मदर inquired of me or my mother asked me, simple, no need to change, it is already asked here, so ask me, no commas will be used, you know that. My mother asked me where, पहले आ जाएगा I was, I R का बन जाएगा, U का बन जाएगा I was going, where I was going, clear? So like this we are going to change the question answer. So now we will solve the first exercise. Put the following into indirect. Exercise number 1. It's page 103. So the first one is, the policeman said to the boy. So first of all we will write the policeman asked the boy, no commas, right? Ask the boy, where do you live? Now where he lived. That's it. So like this the question will be changed into the statement. Second, what time does the train arrive? She asked. She asked what time, यहाँ does है ना, तो what time the train arrived. What time arrived the train? What time the train arrived? Third, when can we have dinner? She asked. She asked when we can है तो could not में, when we could have, पहले we लगेगा बाद में, क्योंकि हमने इसे स्टेटमेंट में डालना है, तो when we could have dinner, when we could have dinner. Yes, when, no, we है, when they, we का तो they बन जाएगा, when they could have. Peter said to the John. Peter asked the John, why are you so late? Why was he late? Fifth, you can do this in your notebook if you want to. Yeah, you do this work in this exercise number 1 in your notebook. Police said. The police inquired. So we can use inquired also. The police inquired, which way did he go? Which way had he gone? Which way had he gone? Sixth, he said to us, he asked us. First of all, you will change the reporting verb. He asked us, why are you all gossiping and wasting time? Why were we? Why we are? Why? तो पहले we लग जाएगा क्योंकि हमने इसे स्टेटमेंट में चेंज करना है. So why we were all, I think, yeah. Why we were all gossiping and wasting our time. Gossiping and wasting. Why we were all gossiping and wasting time. Seventh is, they said, who are you, sir? They inquired who I was. He inquired of me भी लिख सकते हैं. They said, who are you, sir? They inquired who I was. He inquired and said, sir, who I was. He inquired. He addressed. No, it's okay. Rakesh asked his wife, what can I do for you? Rakesh asked his wife what he can do for her. What he can do, he could do. Can का could बन जाएगा. What he could do for her. 9. My father asked me on phone. My father asked me on phone. Now we will read the next one. Speech. How is the climate there in London? How the climate was in London. How the climate was in London. 10th. The boy asked his classmate, when will you return his exercise book? The boy asked his or inquired. Asked his classmate when would he return his when he would, I think we have to change this, when he would return his exercise notebook. Full stop. So with this we have completed this exercise number 1. Now we come to the yes no questions. So now in yes no questions, these type of questions are reported by using ask, if और whether clause होता है इसमें. जब हमने yes or no में we have to answer, we have to reply. So there we always are reported by asking, reported by using ask. हम ask तो लगाएंगे ही, उसके साथ हम if या whether लगाएंगे clause. ठीक है. So now let's see how it is done. So all of you write this in your notebooks. He said to me, do you speak English? No, just see here. He said to me, do you speak English? Now here, how we will change it? He asked me if I could speak English, या whether I could speak English. Ask me if I spoke, speak का बन जाएगा spoke English. If I spoke English. Then he said to me, are you Chinese or Tibetan? He said to me, are you Chinese or Tibetan? Now how we will change? He asked me if I was Chinese or Tibetan. Simple. Whether I was or if I was. If भी लगा सकते हैं या whether भी लगा सकते हैं. Whether और if, एक लगाना है इसमें से. If या whether I was Chinese or Tibetan. That's it. So like this we have to change. Okay. So let's do the exercise. So we will either write if or whether. Put the following into the indirect. Exercise number 2. It's on page number 104. Statement number 1. Now, I asked, don't you know how to solve this problem? So first of all, we will write the reporting verb. I asked. You will start writing like this. पहले आप इतना लिखेंगे. I asked, don't you know how to solve this problem? I asked if I knew how to solve that. This का बन जाएगा that problem. I asked if I knew. No, क्योंकि no था. Don't you know if I know how to solve that problem? He said, does she write in a good hand? He asked if or whether. Whether or if. He asked if or whether she. Write का क्या बन जाएगा? Write will be changed to wrote. If she wrote in a good hand. If she wrote in a good hand. Third one. Anyone you have to use. Anyone, not both. Do you really come from Japan? Said the prince. The prince asked. The prince asked if I really came from Japan. If I really, you will be changed into I. उसने पूछा do you really come from Japan? Prince asked if I really come will be changed to came from Japan. If I really came from Japan. Fourth one. Wordsworth said. Wordsworth. Who is he? Who is Wordsworth? William Wordsworth. He's a famous poet. Wordsworth said, will no one tell me what she sings? If anyone would tell him, if anyone would tell him will है ना, तो would में change. If anyone would tell him what she sings. What she sing का बन जाएगा sang. Wordsworth said, और ask भी आ सकता है ना. Wordsworth asked if anyone would tell him what she sang. Fifth one. She said, can you understand this definition? She asked whether he could understand this, whether he could understand that definition. So you can do these exercises in your notebooks, because here you have to write a full statement, so it will be not feasible for you to write in the book only. So it's better you write in your notebooks. Exercises भी हो जाएंगी, काम भी हो जाएगा. So you do all these exercises in your notebooks. Sixth one. Have you anything to say finally? Said the judge to the prisoner. The judge asked the prisoner. The judge asked the prisoner if he had something. If he had anything to say. To say finally. Seventh. The judge asked the prisoner if he had anything to say finally. If he finally had anything to say. If he finally had anything. He finally had. Seventh. My father said to me, my father asked me, yeah, inquired of me, both are right. Inquired of me. Have you washed the car? If I had washed the car. Eighth. My friend said, did you go to the party on Christmas Day? My friend asked, if I did you go है ना, तो had में change हो जाएगा. If I had gone to the party, if I had gone to the party on Christmas Day, right? If I had gone. Next, ninth, he said, now we will first of all write the reporting word. He asked, does your family prepare sweet rice on Pongal Day? He asked if my family. He asked, does your family? He asked if my family. If my family prepared if if my family prepared sweet rice on Pongal. 10th. He asked if my family prepared sweet rice on Pongal. क्योंकि does है present tense में है तो present past में simple past में change हो जाता है. The officer said to the police. The officer asked the police. The officer asked the police, did you check the baggage thoroughly? If you है ना, if he had checked, if he had checked the luggage thoroughly. So with this we have completed exercise number 2 also. So now we come to reporting orders and requests. So now we are talking about reporting. We will read about reporting orders and requests. So when a reporting an order or request, the reporting verb used is tell, right? जब हम order देते हैं या request करते हैं तो reporting verb is used is tell. हम लोग tell use करते हैं तो with a to clause. तो हम clause जो है to लगाते हैं साथ में. कैसे? He told me. तो tell का क्या बन जाएगा? told के साथ लग जाएगा to. He told me to stand up. Tell will be changed into told and with the clause to. Clear? The pattern, इसका pattern क्या रहेगा? इसका pattern रहेगा जो टेल है वो बन जाएगा टोल्ड और साथ में लगेगा टू. ठीक है, तो इसका पैटर्न रहेगा पहले वर्ब आएगा, वर्ब लगेगा प्लस देन इन्फिनेटिव ऑब्जेक्ट लगेगा प्लस उसके बाद हमारा टू क्लॉज लगेगा. ठीक है, पहले वर्ब लगाएंगे फिर हमारा इन्फिनेटिव ऑब्जेक्ट होगा एंड लास्ट में टू क्लॉज होगा. टू क्लॉज जैसे अदर वर्ब्स यूज टू रिपोर्ट ऑर्डर्स. और कौन से हम लोग वर्ब्स यहाँ यूज कर सकते हैं टू रिपोर्ट ऑर्डर्स? कमांड, ऑर्डर, वार्न, आस्क, एडवाइज, इनवाइट, बेग, टीच एंड फॉरबिड. ठीक है, तो द डॉक्टर सेड टू मी स्टॉप स्मोकिंग. Now I'll explain you orally only. The doctor said to me. Doctor said to me means doctor है, अब वो हमें मुझे एडवाइस भी कर सकता है, राइट? तो हम इसमें लिख सकते हैं एडवाइस भी लिख सकते हैं और रिपोर्ट टोल्ड भी लिख सकते हैं. अब उसने बोला said to me, the doctor told me, the doctor told verb आ गया, me to stop smoking. That's it. Get out of the car, said the policeman. The policeman ordered him to get out of the car. The policeman ordered, पहले verb आ गया ordered him to get out of the car. Two clause. Could you please be quiet? She said. Could you please be quiet? तो please आ गया, that means it's an request. So she requested me to keep quiet. She requested me to keep quiet. The man with a gun said to us, don't move. The man with a gun warned us. The man with a gun warned us not to, warned verb, not to move. Two clause. So, the man with the gun warned us not to move. Warned us not to move. Two clause बाद में लग गया. Now, will you try exercise number 3? So, we will discuss tomorrow. The employer said to the executive, go away. The employer told the executive to go away. So, it is quite easy. You can try it yourself. Write it in your rough copies. So, we will discuss tomorrow.